All right, what's up, everybody? Mr. Pauline is back with another video. We're working on this 2011 Ford Ranger, yeah. O'Reilly's work truck. I'm gonna replace the compressor, the dryer, and the orifice tube in there. It's there somewhere. I'll show it to you. I'm gonna start off with taking the dryer and stuff out of the way first because it'll leave me a lot of extra room. It's always good to have these kind of tools here. I have some metal ones that don't work as good as these plastic ones. So what you do is just get that tool in there, you find the right size and push, and then pull the, so yeah, get it on there. If you heard that noise, that means you pretty much opened the spring. I always pull back before you take this off because you feel it loosen right away. And then just wiggle and pull it out. You see that? Always put new O-rings on each side. Okay, so now we're gonna take off this dryer. We need like an 8 mil down here. Unscrew up here. What's cool about this truck is everything's on top. Even the compressor's right here. I mean, you just can't beat that. It stinks though. This compressor froze, and you could smell it all the way inside the truck. That's how bad it is. Thing must have been smoking. Okay. So you got some 8s on the opposite other side here. It's always good to have, you know, something like this. It'll get in there and get that out of there, you know? Okay. So there's the dryer. We got that out. I've already put the tool in here for the orifice tube. So I just got to pull it out. See that? Inside there is where the orifice tube is. Let's grab some pliers and find out what that looks like. Okay, so orifice tube in here was like way down here. I broke some of it trying to take it out with some picks and stuff. So what I did is I grabbed some air, this nice little thing, and you put it through here and move out of the way because it came flying out, boom, took off flying somewhere, and I have no idea where it landed. I'm sure we'll find it one of these days, but I'm not really worried about it as long as it's out of there. We'll get a new one in there after we clean the system. Next, I'm going to take off the compressor, unplug the wiring, bolt, 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 and first, take off the belt. All right, so I got the compressor out. As you can see, look at that front end. I mean, I wouldn't even want to touch that. The wheel doesn't even spin at all. Everything froze on this sucker. Refurbished. I don't know if I put this on a couple years ago or if somebody else did. I've done some work to this vehicle because my sticker is on it from like 2 years ago. 2 or 3 years ago, I really don't remember. But compressor's out, orifice tube is out, dryer is out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the system and wait for the parts to get in. Okay, so we got the new parts in. I flushed the condenser and stuff with the AC flush. Almost empty on that one. So now, and I put new O-rings, new O-rings, new O-rings, new O-ring. And I'm going to put the AC compressor in now and put everything else back on. Vacuum and recharge. All right, so the brand new compressor's in. Next, I'm going to put the orifice tube in there. Put that back on. Okay. Now the orifice tube goes one way and one way only. And what I try to remember is you got these two sides right here. See the two sides right here? You got one here and one here. That's for a special tool. So that's how you'll know it always goes in that way. The top will be where the tool can reach that orifice tube. Okay, so now we got the system vacuuming. I gotta put the belt back on, which that's the last thing to do. So we got the new compressor on, the orifice tube, the new dryer on. I cleaned the system with the flush. I put new O-rings on everything I have opened. And I had to put 5 more ounces in the accumulator here. The whole system takes 5, so 3 in the compressor. 6 ounces. I put 6 ounces in here and 3 in there to make 9. So put on the sensor. Now we're just doing a vacuum, let it vacuum for a while, and we'll charge it up and get this sucker back on the road. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video. I try to make it as simple as I could. Thank you to O'Reilly's for allowing Mr. AC Shop to do a O'Reilly's delivery vehicle. And please like and subscribe, and hope to see you guys next time. Peace out.